Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Coping Mbumba. Molweni, how's everybody doing? Coping here. Your IsiXhosa word for today's lesson is Umhlaba. Now, Umhlaba is what pregnant Xhosa women like to nibble on. Due to its historic and ancestral taste, some even enjoy it beyond pregnancy. Umhlaba is so delicious, black people in general crave it. Nothing tastes like acres, ndiyakutxelela. Umhlaba is the bits and pieces of land that make up South Africa. Most importantly, Umhlaba hugely encompasses and references the land that was stolen ngabelungu through passing the Land Act of 1913 into law, basically making it illegal for native black South Africans to own land or participate in fair land business transactions. In fair land business transactions in South Africa. Imagine. This particular land, all black South Africans would like to have it big someday. Sicinga fanuba ababantu bawubayo futhi bazityebisa ngawo bazosinika njeee ngoba kaloku benentliziyo ezintle bayancoma xa sidibana nabethwini kwa Woolies. Other IsiXhosa words for land are igade, ilitye, isoyi. Regardless of which word you use to call it, it's ours, ma-Afrika. And it would be nice to have it back bethuni. Xa sewufuna ngathi siyawucela, ngathi wabolekwa kakuhle ngotya wawuthathwa, kodwa khani sinika apha betnana sawuphinda sawubuyisa. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Umhlaba is pronounced Umhlaba. Peace out. Yizwe.